Hey everyone, it's Paul Hamilton here from UTB. I keep getting told that you can't even view the HTML code for Canva's AI code for me, and you certainly can't copy and paste it. Well, you can. There's a simple hack. So let's just say that I wanted to create a blue circle that is draggable. All I need to really say is tell code for me that I need that in one panel, and in another panel, I need to show the required code for that project so that I can cut and paste it. So we're going to have a quick look. I'm going to run that and just see what's generated. And I will say this can be a little bit hit and miss. So it can be a little bit of a opportunity to refine that code in regard to the different panels and showing the code. But what I might do here is just speed up the process a little bit. And have a look at that. Let's see if it's worked. So we've got our circle that we can drag around. So that's pretty cool. Oh, here's the big test. Look at this. Now, I'm not sure if the copy code works, but I've now got a panel with the entire HTML code in it that I can't plug back into Canva, but I can test that code. Let's do a quick copy because it's in a different panel. Look at that. I can copy the code. I'll go down to the bottom. It's not too long. I'll do a Command C or Control C to copy. I'll jump in a code editor at the top here and paste it. And then what we can do is actually run that code, and on the right hand side, we'll see if it works. And have a look at that. We've now got a blue, beautiful circle that we can cut and paste the code, start to modify it. I can start playing around with the different attributes and the container and the body and what the circle is. We can change the background color. What if we made it zeros and back? Oops, let me go back. And we run that. And all of a sudden we've got a black circle. So the background color of the circle is black. So we can play around with colors. We can do a range of different things in regard to how active it is and all the different elements. And all I really needed to do there is really focus in on my beautiful prompt where I start with that beautiful project. I talk about having that in one panel, and that can be any project that you like. And then we start to really explore in the other panel or another panel there that we actually look at something that displays the code required to run that project. And all of a sudden we can copy and paste our code. More importantly, we can see our project running there and we can actually see the code underneath it, which is great. Can't wait for Canva's ability to alter the code live within the preview panel and keep iterating in regard to that code. That's going to be an amazing update, but I just wanted to quickly hack the concept of I can't copy paste. I can't even view my code in Code for Me. Yes, you can, and that is how you do it. It's Paul Hamilton here for Using Technology Better. If you want to follow some of the stuff that I do and using technology and the types of training that we do, please have a look at the QR code at the end of this video. Get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.